चेंज इन गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी एंड स्पॉन्टेनिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन, ये अपना अगला टॉपिक है। अब चेंज इन गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी का स्पॉन्टेनिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन से क्या रिलेशन होता है, उससे पहले एक रिलेशन देखते हैं चेंज इन गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी का डेल्टा एच का और डेल एस का। इट इज डेल जी कैन बी रिटन एज डेल एच माइनस टी डेल एस। सो बेसिकली अगर ये रिलेशन है डेल एच और डेल एस का डेल्टा जी के साथ, अगर इस रिलेशन के थ्रू वी फाइंड आउट कि डेल जी नेगेटिव आया, देन वी कैन कमेंट दैट रिएक्शन इज स्पॉन्टेनियस। इससे अगर डेल जी पॉजिटिव आता है तो इट टेल्स अस दैट रिएक्शन इज नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस। So this is about del G, del H and del S. Now continuing further, we will solve this problem and see how del H and del S is related to del G and how we can find the spontaneity of a reaction using this and what is the dependence of temperature. अब problem क्या है? Assume del H and del S to be independent of temperature. At what temperature will the reaction given become spontaneous? And the reaction is N2 plus O2 giving 2NO, and we have been given del S as 191.4, 204.9, 210.5 joule per Kelvin per mole. This has been given, this is entropy, standard entropy values, and we have also been given del H as 180.8 joule Kelvin per mole. Now firstly let us find del S, that is nothing but standard entropy of product minus standard entropy of reactant. Students, जो पिछले टॉपिक थे उनमें हमने पहले आपको बताया है, जो टॉपिक था एंट्रोपी चेंज फॉर ए रिएक्शन, कि हाउ वी फाइंड del S फॉर ए रिएक्शन। तो दिस टाइम आई एम डायरेक्टली डूइंग दिस 2 into 210.5 minus 191.4 minus 204.9, and it comes out to be 24.7 joule per Kelvin per mole. So this is del S. Now we have everything. We can find out del G as del H minus T del S. We have del H as 180.8 minus T into del S is 24.7 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So from here, to make this reaction spontaneous, del G must be greater than, must be less than 0. So I am putting this quantity less than 0, that is 180.8 minus 24.7 into T into 10 raised to power minus 3 less than 0, and from here if we found out the relation, it comes out to be T must be greater than 180.8 divided by 24.7 into 10 raised to power 3, and that is equals to around 7310, and the closest answer is 7320, because we have to find the temperature at which reaction becomes spontaneous. So this was a good problem, students, because we used change in Gibbs energy to find out the spontaneity. We all know that when del G will be less than 0, reaction will be spontaneous, and by using that fact and finding del S initially, we solved the problem. Now this problem was mixed of last 2-3 topics, so this was a good problem.